Look no further. Here is a high-quality wood pellet grill that delivers amazing flavor and performance. The Pit Boss PB440D2 wood pellet grill is a fantastic choice. Right now, it's on sale for 33% off, making it one of the best deals on the market. This grill is built for durability and efficiency. With 440 square inches of cooking space, it provides plenty of room to grill, smoke, bake, roast, and even sear your favorite meals. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure even heat distribution while being easy to clean. One of the standout features is its digital control board and fan-forced convection cooking, which maintains consistent temperatures for that perfect smoky flavor. The temperature range goes up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you full control over your grilling experience. The 5-pound hopper capacity allows for long cook times without constant refilling, and the flame broiler lets you switch between direct and indirect heat with ease. Whether you're grilling steaks, smoking ribs, or roasting a whole chicken, the PB440D2 delivers excellent results. The heavy-duty steel construction and powder-coated finish make it durable and weather-resistant, ensuring it lasts for years. Plus, the 2 large wheels make it easy to move around your backyard or patio. With the limited-time 33% discount, this is an incredible opportunity to upgrade your grilling game. Don't miss out on this deal. Click the link in the description below to grab yours today.